Top 5 AI tools for content creation make money fast in 2026. What if I told you, you don't need expensive equipment, a big team, or years of experience to start making money online? Right now, people are using simple AI tools to create videos, write content, design graphics, and they're getting paid. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 AI tools for content creation, explain how they work in the simplest way possible, and most importantly, how you can use them to start making money immediately. Let's get into it. Welcome to the channel, where we talk about AI, money, and motivation. If you want to learn how to use AI to change your financial life, hit that subscribe button now. Let's start with number 1. Tool 1, ChatGPT. First on the list is ChatGPT. This tool is like having a super smart assistant that never gets tired. What it does: write scripts like this one, creates blog posts, generates business ideas, answers questions instantly. Simple explanation. You type what you want, and it gives you the answer in seconds. How it makes you money: start a YouTube channel, scripts plus ideas. Offer freelance writing services. Create and sell ebooks. Manage social media pages for businesses. Example: you can ask it, write me 10 viral TikTok ideas about making money, and boom, you're ready to create content. Tool 2, Canva AI. Next is Canva AI. If you've ever struggled with design, this will change your life. What it does: creates thumbnails, designs social media posts, generates logos and brand kits, AI image generation. Simple explanation. You don't need design skills. Just type what you want, and it creates it for you. How it makes you money: sell thumbnails to YouTubers. Offer graphic design services. Create and sell digital products. Run social media pages. Pro tip: YouTube thumbnails alone can earn you consistent income if you learn this tool well. Tool 3, CapCut AI/video editors. Number 3 is CapCut AI. This is one of the easiest video editing tools out there. What it does: auto captions, video editing, background removal, AI voice and effects. Simple explanation. It turns raw clips into professional videos with just a few clicks. How it makes you money: start a faceless YouTube channel. Edit videos for clients. Create TikTok or Instagram content. Run ads for businesses. Reality check: short-form content creators are making money daily just by posting consistently using tools like this. Tool 4, 11 Labs/AI voice tools. Number 4 is AI voice generators like 11 Labs. What it does: converts text into human-like voice. Creates narration for videos. Supports multiple accents and styles. Simple explanation: you type words, it speaks them like a real human. How it makes you money: create YouTube automation channels. Sell voiceover services. Build storytelling or motivational pages. Produce audiobooks. Power move: you don't even need to use your own voice anymore. Tool 5, Pictory/AI video generators. Finally, we have Pictory AI. This is where things get very interesting. What it does: turns scripts into full videos. Adds visuals automatically. Includes subtitles and music. Simple explanation. You give it a script, it creates a full video for you. How it makes you money: start a faceless YouTube channel. Repurpose content for TikTok, Instagram. Sell video creation services. Build content pages and monetize. This is powerful because you don't need to record anything yourself. My professional recommendations: if you want to actually make money with these tools, here's my honest advice. Don't try all tools at once, pick just 2 or 3 and master them. Focus on content creation plus attention equals money. Be consistent, post every day, even if it's simple. Start before you feel ready. The biggest mistake is waiting too long. These tools are not just for fun, they are real opportunities. People are making money every single day using exactly what I just showed you. The question is, will you take action? If you found value in this video, like, share, and subscribe. And I see you in the next one. Start now. Your future self will thank you. Like, comment and share with your loved ones. Thank you and see you in the next update.